All right, I got a very funny thing here. Called out to a body shop and they said this went out, didn't work. They didn't know what was wrong. They changed the condenser, put another one in, charged it up. It still doesn't work. Now I went to put on my fittings here because I'm gonna hook up here, but I want to see if did they charge it up or is it empty or what. So I'm gonna put my refrigerant identifier on there. Oh, some repair was done right here. So what I do is I just wanted to see if there's anything, and it's all liquid. This is the vapor line. This is the suction line. That was a solid column. All I did was go down a little bit and a solid column of liquid came out. Another thing I noticed, I always touch this. Can you hear this? Let me see if I could touch it. And I'm gonna set this here so you can hear the clicking. Sounds, it almost sounds like I'm pumping liquid, but it has a different, we all know these, everybody who's experienced with these Subaru compressors know they do make a certain kind of noise, but then I'm having this other kind of click that I've never felt before, and a slightly different noise than I never felt before. So something is different there, and I have pure liquid coming out here. Let's see what's up with that. We'll be back on the second video.